वेल आयज जावन आसा 29 जानेवारी 2026 29 Jan आणि it said that I had to come and I could not say no to this young woman. It's been like more than 2 weeks she was seeking my appointment. Madam, I want your appointment. आणि म्हाका ते message धाडपाले, you are the only hope because I have no support. I don't have any support. I don't have any influential people in my life and I'm helpless. And I myself, I don't have a father. I lost my father some years ago and I've got a widow mother and I've got other siblings at home. And they all together, they are 4 jana. Am I right? She is the elder one and she married it seems 5 years back. She married. She is from Salseta's case जावन आसा. I cannot reveal the names of the constituencies. हे जावन आसा आमचे हिंगाचेच सालसेटातले. दोगान काजार जाले. डिप्लोमा करताले ते इन वॉट? यू आर डुइंग डिप्लोमा इन सिविल इंजिनियरिंग. मोगान पडले 5 वर्सां पयले आनी मागीर मोगान रावन 5 वर्सां काजार जाले. काजार जाले ते कोणा कडेन? सारको नोटेड, सारको नोन पर्सन हू इज बिहायंड मारगांव नाव, मारगांव पुलीस स्टेशन. एंड हांगा लोकेलिटी स्कूल्स आसा पळय त्या स्कुलान तो एक प्रोफेसर जावन आसा. ही इज अ टीचर, अ वेल नोन टीचर, अ वेल नोन गाय हू इज ऑल्सो इन्फ्लुएन्शियल. आनी आयज वायट दिसता की हेजो घरकार हू इज 31 years old, ही 31, शी इज 28. Today it looks, I feel, I'm feeling so bad that 3 भुरग्यांक घेवन ते पुलीस स्टेशन आयिल्ले आसा. जाले 2 वरां आमी पुलीस स्टेशन आशिल्लीं. गुगन सेलाक मॅडम रुपा जी आसा PI तेजे कडेन उलयलें, तेजे कडेन अप्लिकेशन करून दिलां. द 3 मायनर चिल्ड्रन, वन इज 1 वर्साचें, 1 वर्साचे बाय, एक बाब आसा आनी आनी एक बाय आसा. सो तिगाय मेळून 1 वर्साचे, 2 वर्साचे भुरगे आनी 4 वर्साचे भुरगे बायलेक आसा. आउट ऑफ 5 years मॅरेज. आतां मोगान काजार जालें, सगळें जालें. वेल टू डू, वेल रेप्युटेड स्कूल आसा मडगांव, तो काम करता आनी सगळें सेटल आशिल्लें, बरें आशिल्लें. पूण खंय तरी थिंग्स स्टार्टेड चेंजींग आफ्टर 3-4 years. देवर बारीक बारीक जाता, जिरे मिरे जाता, खंय सासूमाय आहा, सून आहा, प्रॉब्लम जाता घरान. पूण समजून घेवपाक जाय. आनी मेन कोणाचो हे आसता, मेन रायट आसता कोणाचो? हू इज एक्चुअली वी से सँडविच जाता गो घरकार, बट ही हॅज टू हँडल हिज मदर वन सायड, ही हॅज टू हँडल हिज वायफ सायड वन सायड. बट हियर द मॅटर इज समथींग एल्स. वेन शी वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग, पयले ताज्या हात्यांत 2-4 वर्साचे भुरगे आसा, दुसरे म्हणटा ते 2 वर्साचे आनी आसा. आनी भुरग्यांक पयल्या तुमी कितें म्हणटली? क्यूट भुरगीं. एंड द थर्ड वन इज जस्ट 1 year old, धाकलें बाय, 1 वर्साचे. इवन मॅडम रूपा पुलीस स्टेशनात आनी ऑल द पुलीस कॉन्स्टेबल्स ऑल्सो फेल्ट वेरी सॉरी लुकिंग एट दिस मदर विथ 3 children. Now the thing is, it seems this man who is teaching in one of the schools here, who is well settled, who is earning around more than 80,000, suddenly changes going. कितें जालें तें तेका कळना जालें. थर्ड टायम when she was pregnant, he was all the time on the phone, chatting, going out, not coming home late. So there was no family time, intimacy नाशिल्ली. तो कितें जाता म्हणून खंय हेका डावट मारपालो. And when she studied, तेणें तेका स्टडी केलो and everything, she found out and she's got everything, evidence of the sir having an affair with one of the teachers of the same school who is teaching in the primary school. ती खंय प्रोबेशनाचेर आसा. म्हाका नांव काडपाचें नाका, म्हाका गांवचें नांव काडपा नाका, कित्याक ताकाय आवय बापूय आसा, ताका भुरगो आसा. आय डोंट वॉन्ट ताजें नांव तानीश जाल्लें, बिकॉज आय वॉन्ट टू सी इफ समथींग कॅन कम आउट ऑफ इट. सी वॉट एवर इट इज, यू हॅव एंटर्ड इन टू एडल्टरी. आय एम टेलिंग अ हजबंड, you have entered. We cannot blame that girl who is coming and she claims she has got all the evidence, sex tapes asa kahi, and conversation asa kahi, all the videos, it's in sexual, whatever, that we are not bothered because we cannot blame that girl. Fault lies with the husband who had committed to her. You go to yellow, I do mulle, commitment mulle, in my good times, bad times, and last what today? 3 children are with her. They are not taking in the house. It seems I teka khoi small ditat padri kon small dita educated girl. She's saying how long can people give us tandoor dita, kon dress dita, rope dita, kitne how much can I survive? Kaja tari ex MP kore te kamak asa, ex MP retired to zala itlo janto kai taka kaich melna. She's saying what to do for peanuts. I'm doing this. Mother is saying you can't stay here because I've got another 3 siblings. I'm a widow. बापाय काय सोडून वचो ना. 1 जण तुगे भुरग्यां कोण करतलो? Now she was crying with me and Madam Sudha. ते रुपा मॅडम जी PI आसा, पांय पडटा तें आपले रावपाचो बंदोबस्त कर, म्हज्या भुरग्यांक दवरपाक. I said I can put your children in अपना घर, but she is not willing to go in अपना घर. ते म्हणटा भुरग्यांक सुद्दां आपूण कशें रावतलें अपना घरान. आतां करपाचें कितें आमी इतलेंच सांगलां की म्हाका दिसता बाबा तुजी ड्युटी तूं एक कन्सेप्ट तुजी ड्युटी तूं एक काजारी तुवें ताका कमिटमेंट दिवन तुवें ताका लिगली काजार करून हाडिल्लें म्हाका दिसता ती तुजी कायद्यान तूं कितें मस्ती करता आनी तूं कितें करता पळय तूं भोगतलो रे तूं भोगतलो पूण एक सांगता भुरग्यांक तूं कित्याक डिप्रायव करता ती तुजी रोगताची भुरगीं नाल्यार यो मरे DNA करुया सगळे फोटोग्राफ बाल्टीन हॉस्पिटलांत सगळे फोटो आसा भुरगीं तुजी म्हणून सगळीं तूं त्या धाकल्या भुरग्याक आयज बाल्टीन दिवपाक अग्री करना 1 year जालें मॅडम दिवपा तुका शॉक जाली 1 वर्स जालें की ते भुरग्याक आजून बाल्टीन दिवना फादरा कडेन गेले फादर म्हणटा की गेट द NOC फ्रॉम युअर parish रायट get the parish priest is telling it seems get NOC from your husband that he has no objection baltim korpak and the भुरग्यां आयज baltim ताजो रायट जो आसा ताका मेळना जाला आनी शी इज ऑल सायड ब्रोकन आनी कितले तरी केसीस आसा हांगा काजार जाता मोगान पडटा मोग जाता फोक बट वन शूड रियलायज वॉट इज योर ड्युटी एज अ पेरंट हाऊ कॅन यू सर्वायव हाऊ यू कॅन पार्टी हाऊ यू कॅन ईट हाऊ यू कॅन ड्रिंक हाऊ कॅन यू गो मूव आउट when your kids are not they are deprived of food clothes they are crying there havi Rupa madam ik sangla Monday fix he is forcing her for divorce why she will give divorce why she will give tika problem asa you have an extra marital affair no problem you file for a divorce but see that you have to give her maintenance taka ek flat dipak patale separate rawpak burgyang ni jeun till the kids are 18 you will have to give maintenance poishe dipak patale 1/4 of your what you are earning from your salary you have to because they are your kids you have problem but now I am expecting this video is without name नाव काढना बाबा हे नाव काढना तू उठ्ठ चोय तर हवा मागीर फाटल्यान येतली आनी जे ताका सपोर्ट करताय तांकां सांगताय तुमगेले फॅमिली एज करून तुमगे भयणे बार जालें जाल्यार कितें जातलें ताका सपोर्ट हांव जाय तो this is uncalled I condemn this I will see this lady is crying for justice I will stand by her yeah you don't tell your name you just talk in brief.
I loved my husband very much and I believed in him, had faith and trusted him with my life. And we had our 3 children. After I got married, there were troubles up and down. They used to trouble me because I couldn't, after my father died and all, I couldn't give anything. My mother-in-law expected a lot, but I couldn't. I tried during my pregnancies also. I couldn't do much. Whatever I could do, I tried my best, but I was never up to her much. She did not like me. But now my husband is having an affair with this other woman. And she likes her. She feels the daughter which she has lost is come back in this new girl who my husband is having an affair with. And she's supporting it. Even now for my daughter, the delivery also was paid by a parish priest. He paid for the delivery. I couldn't afford. All my 3 children are cesarean. After the 3 children were born also, this third baby was born. Now baptism also, every now and then I'm begging the parish priest where my mother's place also, my husband's place also. They are getting scared. They're saying the father has to have no objection about it. And if he has no problem with it, he will go ahead. He had to come for the baptism instruction also. He didn't show up. My mother-in-law also, even for my daughter's birthday, I was staying till December. I was staying in his house. I went on 9th I got all the evidence of my husband's cheating with this other woman, and after that I confronted. He had taken my things, all my gold, my belongings are there. Everything is with my mother-in-law. Nothing, even my children's gold and things are with my mother-in-law. My husband's entire salary, he gets his salary. The moment he gets his salary, he withdraws it. He gives his salary to his mother. I have no problem. You do what you have to do for your mother and your father. It is our responsibility as children. But my children also are your children only. They're not someone else's. I take so much trouble. I gave birth to my children. But my children look more like my husband. All these features they have. If he has still a doubt, he can even test and do the DNA and check if he has a doubt about his children. He knows very well they are his children. But he doesn't care. Last on my daughter's birthday also, I stayed. I thought maybe, he may feel little like some conscience he may have and he may allow us to enter the house. Give us a thing. Okay, give the things. What things? My children's clothes and shoes. Every few months my children need clothes. My children need shoes. I do not have money. How will I manage? How will I survive? People give something little here and there. Clothes, shoes, things. But I can't manage. I can't. How much I'll take from people? Okay, fine, give. But he has to look, almost 80. I'm not asking you for your whole salary. You do whatever you want with your money, but at least give my basic necessities. Even after getting married in the house, My mother-in-law says it is her house. Where will I take my children? My husband and my mother-in-law, they are all saying take your children and throw them in the well. That is your problem. You managed not to survive. Now during my pregnancy, I managed to survive. People were helping here, there little. I managed, but I can't manage 3 children and myself. My mother also can't manage. My mother is saying go from here. My mother is saying go from here. I went. I have stayed even nights and nights in the police station. Full day and full night I have stayed. In the Maina Kuturim police station, Patoda police station, Margaon town. Everyone is familiar with these things.
What you want, justice?
I just want, I want a place to stay. I want to survive. I want basic necessities. I don't know. I can't see. I can't control anybody. I can't control anyone. It is his life. I'm just begging. I'm begging, ma'am. Please give us justice.
The thing is, एक पादरीन बापड्यान भोंगो दिसलो. पादरी भोंगो दिसलो म्हणून हेजी जेन्ना डिलिव्हरी जाली नर्सिंग होमाक हांगा मडगांव प्रायवेट नर्सिंग होम बिकॉज शी हॅड टू गो फॉर अ सिझेरियन. ते भुरग्या एंजल क्यूट दिसता चली धाकली कितली क्यूट. ताजे देखून डिलिव्हरी गोवान पयशे दिवना. घो जोडटा नांव काडपाक टायम लागपाना इज्जत वतली. पूण हांव सांबाळटा कित्याक म्हाका फॅमिली युनायट जाल्ले जाय. थोडे कितें करतले असो डिवायड जातले बोर्ड जातलो आनी उजो जातलो. म्हाका तें नाका. I want him to realize, repent and come back at least for the sake of your children. Why दिसता म्हळ्यार फादरान खंय बिल फारीक केलें. and you know एक सिझेरियन म्हळ्यार 1 लाखाचे वयर जाता. father had pity on her and her family because he knows he doesn't have a father and she's got 3 siblings and she herself has got 2 children. and when she had gone it seems last सासूमागेर गेल्ले भुरग्यांक घेवन ते घोवा कडेन आख्खे रात खंय ताका भायर दवरले. not even in the balcony. outside she survived with the 3 kids. Just imagine the mosquitoes and the child. She was breastfeeding the small child 3 months back. And not only that much, last सांगता that early morning खंय भुरग्यान खंय टॉयलेट केली. तेगे धाकल्या भुरग्यान 2 वर्साच्यान टॉयलेट केली. ताणें सासूमाक पांय पडले म्हाजे वॉशरुमा पूण वचपा दी ताका दिवना. ताणें गार्डनांतलें उदक घालून खंय ताका न्हिदलें. म्हळ्यार इतलें हें दिसता की चिप्स हाडून ताणें भुरग्याक ते राती खावयलो. वॉट इज गोईंग ऑन. सी आय एम टेलिंग अगेन इट डजंट टेक टायम. आय नो ही इज अ व्हेरी फेमस पर्सनॅलिटी रेप्युटेड घरांतलो भुरगो. नाव घाण करपाक दिनाका. मातशें बरे भाशेन शिस्तीन तुका नाका बायल नाका. शी इज एज्युकेटेड. ते खंय आपलें काम करतलें. बट इट्स युअर ड्युटी टू गिव प्लेस अकोमोडेशन टू देम एंड सी दॅट एवरी मंथ मेंटेनन्स तितलोच म्हाका अपेक्षा आसा.